Today, we're diving into the rich history and incredible health benefits of this delightful nut. Australia, rainforest. It's a breathtaking nature beauty. Aboriginal people to modern nutritionists, macadamia nuts have been impressing humans for centuries. Isn't time you made them part of your story? Macadamia, with a name so sweet, a delight to savor, a treat to eat. Please watch my video to the end for delicious recipe and funny dialogue. Please subscribe. Thank you. From roots of old and Aussie earth, to global fame, it's proven worth. In the land where sunshine gleams so bright, grows a treasure hidden from the night. A nut of gold, in shells it hides, through ancient trees, it gently glides. You're in the lush rainforests of Australia, thousands of years ago. Aboriginal people are gathering small, round nuts from towering trees, the first known human interaction with macadamia nuts. Did you know that macadamia nuts are native to Australia? The indigenous Australians, also known as the Aboriginal people, were the first to enjoy these nutritious nuts, which they called bauple nuts, or gyndl. For centuries, these nuts were a staple in their diet, providing a vital source of protein and energy. A symbol of the tropics' grace, in every nut, a warm embrace. Oh, macadamia, nut divine, in you, we find a taste so fine. It wasn't until the mid-19th century that macadamia nuts were discovered by European botanists W. H. Purvis and R. A. Jordan. These two men, W. H. Purvis and R. A. Jordan, bring macadamia seeds from Australia to Hawaii. Little did they know, they were planting the seeds of a global phenomenon. Interestingly, these nuts weren't named after their discoverers. Instead, they honored John Macadam, an Australian chemist and politician who, ironically, never tasted the nut bearing his name. It's worth noting that while Macadam's name is forever linked to the macadamia nut, he did not discover or cultivate the nut himself. The naming was a gesture of respect from his colleague Muller, recognizing Macadam's contributions to science and his role in Australian society. Today, Hawaii is one of the largest producers of macadamia nuts, along with Australia, South Africa, and other tropical climates. Modern macadamia nut farms in Hawaii. Health it brings in every bite, filling hearts with pure delight. With fats so fine and vitamins rare, it nurtures well, with tender care. Macadamia nuts are nutritional powerhouses. They're packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid. This good fat is like a superhero for your cardiovascular system, helping to lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. But remember, while macadamia nuts are incredibly nutritious, they are also calorie-dense, so it's best to enjoy them in moderation. Remember, a handful of macadamia nuts a day could keep the doctor away and make your meals a whole lot more delicious. Health benefits. Promotes heart health. The healthy fats in macadamia nuts can improve heart health by reducing inflammation and improving artery function. Studies suggest that a diet including macadamia nuts can lower total and LDL cholesterol levels. Supports weight management. Despite being calorie-dense, macadamia nuts can aid in weight management. The healthy fats and fiber content promote satiety, helping you feel fuller for longer and potentially reducing overall calorie intake. Boosts brain health. Macadamia nuts are a good source of omega-9 fatty acids, oleic acid, which support brain health and cognitive function. These fats are also involved in neurotransmitter synthesis and maintenance of brain cell structure. Improves digestive health. The dietary fiber in macadamia nuts aids in digestion, promotes regular bowel movements, and helps maintain a healthy gut microbiome. Supports bone health. Macadamia nuts contain essential minerals such as magnesium, phosphorus, and calcium, which are crucial for maintaining strong and healthy bones. Magnesium also plays a role in muscle function and nerve transmission. Anti-inflammatory properties. The monounsaturated fats and antioxidants in macadamia nuts have anti-inflammatory effects, which can help reduce the risk of inflammatory diseases like arthritis and may improve overall immune function. Regulates blood sugar levels. The fiber and healthy fats in macadamia nuts can help stabilize blood sugar levels by slowing down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. This makes them a good snack choice for individuals with diabetes or those looking to manage their blood sugar levels. Enhances skin health. The vitamin E and other antioxidants in macadamia nuts help protect the skin from oxidative damage caused by free radicals, promoting healthy, youthful-looking skin. The healthy fats also keep the skin hydrated and supple. Golden gem within its shell holds secrets that it won't foretell. Rich in flavor, creamy, pure, a taste that's certain to allure. Recipe: macadamia nut and berry salad. You know, there's something about a macadamia nut and berry salad that feels like a secret indulgence. The crunch of the nuts, the sweetness of the berries, and then, bam! The sharp bite of red onion. It's a dance of flavors, a reminder that life's best moments often come from unexpected combinations. Ingredients: 4 cups mixed salad greens, such as spinach, arugula, and baby kale, 1 cup fresh, organic strawberries, hulled and sliced, 1 cup fresh blueberries, 1/2 cup raw macadamia nuts, roughly chopped, 1/4 cup crumbled feta cheese, optional for added flavor, 1/4 cup red onion, thinly sliced, 1/4 cup extra virgin olive oil, 2 tablespoons balsamic vinegar, 1 teaspoon honey or maple syrup. A pinch of salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: prepare the dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together the olive oil, balsamic vinegar, honey, or maple syrup, salt, and pepper until well combined. Assemble the salad. In a large salad bowl, combine the mixed greens, strawberries, blueberries, and red onion for a unique taste. Drizzle with the prepared dressing and toss gently to coat the salad evenly. Add toppings. Sprinkle the chopped macadamia nuts and crumbled feta cheese, if using, on top of the salad. Serve. Serve immediately to enjoy the crisp freshness, or chill for a short period if preferred. This salad is not only delicious but also packed with nutrients. Enjoy. Raw or baked, in every form, a joy to partake. In cookies, pies, or as a snack, it brings the joy we often lack. Now it is time for a funny dialogue between a macadamia nut and a Brazil nut. Macadamia nut. Rolling up to Brazil nut. Hey there, big boy. What's cracking? Brazil nut. Looking down. Oh, it's you, Mac. Still trying to be the big cheese in the nut world? Macadamia. Big cheese? I'm the cream of the crop, smooth, buttery, and beloved by all. Brazil nut. Chuckles, beloved? More like belittled. You're so tiny, I'm surprised humans don't mistake you for pebbles. Macadamia. Indignantly, size isn't everything. I'll have you know I'm packed with more flavor than you could ever dream of. Plus, I'm versatile. I'm in cookies, ice cream, even coffee. Brazil nut. Rolls eyes, oh please, I'm an Amazonian warrior. I've got selenium that'll knock your shell off. Macadamia. Selenium? Is that what you're hanging your hat on? I've got heart-healthy fats that make cardiologists swoon. Brazil nut. Smugly, at least I don't need a special cracker just to get opened. Humans practically need power tools for you. Macadamia. That's because I'm exclusive, darling. Hard to get, just like the best things in life. Brazil nut. Sarcastically, oh, you're hard to get alright. Hard to get down without choking. Macadamia. Well, at least I don't look like a dirty toenail clipping. Brazil nut. Gasps, how dare you. I'll have you know I'm shaped like the majestic Amazon River basin. Macadamia. More like the Amazon's drainage ditch. Brazil nut. That's it. You want to take this outside the trail mix? Macadamia. Bring it on, you Amazonian giant, overgrown tree seed. A pistachio roll between them, pistachio. Come on, guys, cool it. Can't we all just get along? We're all nuts here. Macadamia and Brazil nut. In unison. Stay out of this, you, half-open crack hack. They both pause, look at each other, and burst out laughing. Macadamia. Still chuckling. You know what? I guess we're both pretty tough nuts to crack. Brazil nut. Grinning. Yeah, I suppose we are. Truce? Macadamia. Truce? Now, let's go photobomb that pretentious mixed nutty nut, can over there. Stay happy and nutty healthy. Until the next time in my new nutritious episode. Let us cherish, nut so grand, a gift of nature from the land. Macadamia, with beauty bright, you fill our hearts with pure delight. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.